Hey, good morning, everybody. This is Bill from Competition Cars in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. Today, we're bringing this 1973 911T to you. We're going to do this is the driving video. While it's outside the natural light, we're going to have Anthony go around the exterior of the car in the natural light to show you how nice the paint and body looks. Laser straight, rust-free body. If you missed any of my other videos, you know this car had $106,000 spent on it between the body restoration, the powertrain, and everything else that was done to make the car literally brand new again. So Anthony, if you'll go around and kind of get a side viewing of the body, we'll hop in, we'll go for a ride. It's a little chilly day today. It's about 40 some odd degrees. Get this one out. We did a cold start video this morning, so it started pretty easily, but it hadn't been started in about 2 weeks at that point. All right. Got a beautiful interior. Let's crank it up and go for a drive. All right, so the horn is not working. We're going to check that and see if we can get that horn working. If there's something that doesn't work in these cars, I fully disclose that to you, okay? And it looks like potentially the clock isn't working either. We'll set it at 6 o'clock, see if it moves on. I know the ticker's not working. Radio doesn't sound the greatest, but it does work. All right, wipers work. All the gauges seem to be working properly. This car does have air conditioning. I'm gonna let it warm up. It's a little cold natured, so it lets this thing warm up a little bit before we start stepping on it. Clutch feels great. Gear selector feels nice and tight. Good close shifts. No grinding in between shifts at all. Got a little bit of wind noise coming from that little side net mirror. Again, brakes feel nice. It's smooth, it's tight. There's no shakes or shimmies. Again, still a little cold, so it's not really up to operating temperature yet. Accelerates really, really smoothly. Fun car to drive. Someone really put a lot of time and effort to get this car to this level, to the standard. And that's the great thing about this car, guys. You can just buy it, drive it, hop in it. All the work's been done. All the hard work has been done. All the money's been spent. And it's your job just to take ownership and drive and enjoy the car at this point. Definitely got some wind noise out of that one little side view mirror. Let's make sure it's shut all the way. Is it tight all the way? gas, and we'll do a little wide open throttle pull so you can see that the gears don't grind, the clutch does not slip, and that the car performs as it should. Hang on, let's see here. It's a cold day, but the air condition does work. I checked it probably a couple weeks ago on a hot day. It's pretty good that it does have air conditioning. A lot of traffic here this morning. I think we're good after this truck. So we're going to step on it a little bit. Really good, guys. Went through all 4 gears. No grinding, no slipping. The car's not shaking or shimming. It's tracking straight. Oh, 5th gear. Sorry, there we go. All 5 gears. So there it is, guys. Any questions? You want to put them in the comment section. All the gauges seem to be working as they should. And we're going to put this car back inside for the new owner to pick it up whenever the auction's over. It'll remain inside until the person picks it up for delivery. So thank you for looking. Check out all the pictures and videos. There's a lot to go over on this car. And again, it has some really great receipts and we're going to have lots of good pictures and footage for you guys. So enjoy the video. Any questions, put them in the comment section, and have a great day.